language arts page with you. Just like yesterday, the first thing you're going to need to do is take your scissors and very carefully cut these two pages in half so that you have both pages ready to go. Both pages need your name because now that they are separated, if you don't put your name on both, one of your pages we won't know whose it is. Once you have your name on both papers, you can set the planting directions page aside because I'm going to start explaining the prepositions page. So remember, we always cut off this bottom part, so you can start doing that. And remember, boys and girls, that prepositions are those words that tell us when and where. So where something is or when it's happening. And one of the things that always helps me remember is in the word preposition, I see that word position. And a position means where something is. So a preposition are those words that tell me when and where. Okay, so your job here is going to be to read each sentence and then figure out which picture matches the sentence. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the first one here, and I need a volunteer that wants to read it, but you need to read it nice and loud so that everyone can hear it, even the friends at home. Nice and loud, please, Noah. I found the bug under the mud. Okay, so now I need to look at these pictures, and I need to see which picture has a bug that's been found in mud. Does anybody see one? Mateo?
On the bottom.
Which bottom? There's two bottoms.
That one.
This one?
No, the other one.
The other one. Right there. The little bug in the jar. It looks like he was digging in mud. So I found a bug in the mud. So that one will go here. I found a bug under the mud. And then you'll keep going, reading the sentences and gluing them in the proper place. And then I want this colored. So please don't turn this into me. I'll just black and white. Make sure you give it some good color. And there's lots of details there to use lots of good colors, okay? So that's what you're doing on the prepositions page. The other page I have for you today is this planting directions. So you need to really pay attention to make sure that you're doing this correctly. It says color the flowers at the bottom of the page. So the first thing you're going to do is get out your colors and color the flowers. Now it tells you what color. So this one will be red, this one will be orange, this one will be yellow, blue, and purple. After you've colored them, you need to cut them out. Then you need to read the directions. I'm getting my extra scraps cut off here. Then you need to read the directions and follow the steps. The next thing it says, paste them in any order. So you're going to cut them out, and you can go in any order you want. You can go in rainbow order. You can go in order of your favorite colors, however you want. Okay, you'll get them on here. I'm going to go in rainbow order, except there's no green. My favorite color is missing. Okay, so once you get them glued on, and they'll be different for everyone because you're all going to do it however you want to do it. Then it says use the word bank to help you describe the flowers in each row. Okay, so it says the yellow flower is, so here's my yellow flower. And then I can use this word between orange and blue, right? I could say the yellow flower is next to orange. I could say the yellow flower is to the right of orange and to the left of blue. So you're going to use these words to tell people where the flowers are. The red flower is next to orange, to the right of orange. You see what I'm doing there? So once you get them glued on, you're going to write sentences using your prepositions to tell me where they are. Okay? So have fun with this. Make sure you color nicely. And I look forward to seeing both of your pages when you are all done. Bye, friends at home.